G'day everyone, it's Chris O. What I'm doing here is I'm sealing the walls. It's a must for all tiling. It binds all the dust together. Nothing sticks to dust. You've seen it in other videos I've done it. I can't harp on about it more than I do, because it's an absolute must. People go on about, oh, but I'm using a good glue. Well, that's shit if you haven't primed your walls first. The best glue you can buy still doesn't stick to dust. It doesn't stick to paint that well either. This doesn't cost a hell of a lot of money to buy this sealer, you know, like it's only about $65 for 5 litres. This will do easy 5 bathrooms. So, you know, it's a no-brainer. What's it costing per bathroom? $10 or $12. Go. And for what it does, it's a no-brainer. People go on about back buttering their tile and that sort of thing. Well, that's all rubbish if you're sticking to dust. I'm repriming the walls here today. Like today, it's an easy peasy day. I'll only be doing half a day. What I'll be doing is putting my aluminium around and bedding the floor. Tomorrow I come in and waterproof. This is a must, people. DIYers, when you're doing this sort of thing, get your roller on a handle. A lot easier. It's a 2.7 stud. I don't know why it's a higher stud. Usually they're 2.4. You don't have to be flash with it, as long as you get it on. Get it on! See how this has been set in? You grind the concrete away. I'm lucky the plumber must have ground it away. I'll put in my puddle flange like that and we're laughing. I'll be waterproofing on top of the screed, not under the screed. Under the screed is old school. You've got grey water sitting in your mud. That's also a no-no these days. When you're waterproof on top of your screed, you've got your pre-fall happening. You're laughing. Alright, we'll see you soon. I'll show you how to cut aluminium with a grinder and not stuff up your blade shortly. See you soon.